Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, and having your marketing campaign already written, your customer emails answered, your social media scheduled, and your financial report generated, all before your first cup of coffee. That's not a fantasy. That's the reality for a growing wave of solopreneurs using AI to operate like a full company. Let's break down exactly how they are doing it. First, content and marketing. Traditional businesses hire copywriters, social media managers, and SEO specialists. Solopreneurs using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper are generating blog posts, ad copy, email sequences, and video scripts in minutes. One person is now producing what used to require a five-person marketing team. Second, customer support. Tools like TDO and Intercom, powered by AI, can handle hundreds of customer inquiries simultaneously. These chatbots don't sleep, don't call in sick, and learn from every conversation. One solopreneur reported handling over 400 support tickets weekly without a single human support agent. Third, design and visuals. Forget hiring a graphic designer for every project. Tools like Midjourney, Canva AI, and Adobe Firefly let solo operators create professional-grade visuals, brand assets, and even video content in hours, not weeks. Fourth, operations and administration. AI scheduling assistants, automated bookkeeping through tools like Bench or QuickBooks AI, and workflow automation through Zapier and Make.com eliminate hours of manual work. Tasks that once required an operations manager now run on autopilot. Fifth, sales and lead generation. AI tools like Apollo.io and Clay help solopreneurs find prospects, personalize outreach, and follow up automatically. What used to require a full sales team can now be managed by one person with the right tech stack. But here's the critical point. This isn't about replacing human creativity. The most successful solopreneurs aren't just automating. They're strategically positioning themselves as the decision maker while AI handles the execution. Think of it as building your own AI-powered team. You're the CEO. ChatGPT is your copywriter. Midjourney is your designer. Zapier is your operations manager. And your AI chatbot is your customer service department. The barrier to entry for building a serious business has never been lower. A single determined person with the right AI stack can now compete with companies 10 times their size. The question isn't whether AI will change business. It already has. The question is, are you going to use it or get left behind by someone who does?